Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Before you can start smoke testing and software testing, it's important to gather together all of the things that you'll need, including data files and skills within your organization. What you'll need to perform your smoke test will depend on whether you're planning to carry out automated or manual smoke testing, and what testing tools you're using to make the process easier. 1. A list of test cases. Before you start a smoke test, you'll need a comprehensive list of all the test cases that you want your smoke test to evaluate. Test cases are individual sets of actions that you want to test to judge whether the outcome of taking these actions aligns with the outcomes that you expect. 2. Test files. Before you can run your smoke test, you'll need to gather all of the test files that you're going to run your smoke test on. You may be able to use the command line of the smoke testing software that you're using to gather all of your files into one place. How you gather your files and where you store them will depend on how your organization operates. 3. Smoke testing tools. You can perform a basic smoke test without using any particular tools, but using smoke testing tools could help you to improve the accuracy of your results and speed up the process of smoke testing. Research smoke testing tools online first and choose the software that automates or optimizes your smoke test in relation to your particular needs and budget. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.